Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be installing my Xforce Catback system for my 2023 Kia Forte GT. So we're going to be replacing the MBRP axle back system that I have on this car right now. It's got carbon fiber tips. And it's only just the axle back system. It's a stock Midpipe. So we're going to be replacing that with a full catback system that I have over here. This is by Xforce. It's a full catback system. Got it for relatively cheap. This is like a $1,200 exhaust, but it's really good. And I can't wait for it to be on my car and how it's going to sound. But first, let's get a cold start on my MBRP axle back exhaust. And let's see the difference when we put the new exhaust back on. So first and foremost, we have to actually raise the car to its maximum height at least so I can get under the car comfortably, take the exhaust off, and put the new one back on. I got the proper tools, so let's get to work. So we got the car on all four sides. Got my creeper there. This looks like a straight monster truck. Let's get this exhaust off and then get the new one on. There you go. Ow! I forgot that there's a nut in the back. I believe it was 13 last time I checked. And there you go.
3 hours later.
All right, so the exhaust is off. So now our job is next to get the Midpipe off, the stock Midpipe off. Put that one on. This is gonna be a 3-inch instead of 2-inch diameter pipe. So it'll make a lot deeper of a noise and it'll be great. I can't tell if I have stuff on my face, but if I do, I'm sorry. That was a process. Hopefully I can reach. I don't know, we'll see. Dang, this is far and tight. So if you wanna know something funny, when I lowered this car, I did it on my friend's driveway. His driveway is very small. Let's just say, didn't end so well.
Flashback.
Oh, shit. Oh my god, that is rusty. Alright, I need some WD-40. I don't even know if I'm gonna get out of here.
Why are we still here?
And with the power of my father and me, we got the bolts off the Midpipe. Now, all I gotta do, take my hanger tool and take it out. So let's take this back one out first. Ah! My shoulder.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time card.
There you go. Here we come. With the whole Midpipe. This thing is huge and heavy.
That's what she said.
I mean, look at that thing. Yo, we got it out, finally. Let me put the new one versus the old one side by side so you can see the difference. This is crazy, y'all. Check this out. Bam. So we have a Midpipe for the Xforce system versus the stock Midpipe. You would wonder, why is it so long? Well, it's because the stock Midpipe only goes to a certain amount, and then as you can tell in the MBRP axle back, you can see that part right here. This part is actually already on the Xforce system. So it makes it a lot easier to actually bolt on and bolt off the axle back from the system. Let's get the Midpipe on, get the axle back on, tidy everything up, and let's see how this thing sounds. You're gonna see this. Oh, shoot. Almost there. There you go, I got it. All right, it's on there. So now, someone buy me a 2-post lift, please. All right, so now we just finished putting the Midpipe installed. I wanna see how this actually sounds with just the Midpipe and not the axle back. So let's do that now, shall we? my god. Alright, so now that we heard what that sounds like, which is insane by the way, let's put on the axle back onto the car. It's right there. Let's put this on. Let's get to work. And we are done. Finally, after a couple hours of work, we're done. I'm probably going to just put these a little more in. These are sticking out a decent bit, but it looks insane. It looks good. And I haven't turned it on yet. So let's finish up, let's wrap up. And let's get this car, get some sound clips. Let's get it rolling. And we are done. It is finally done. Can't really see because it is dark outside. I tried to do as much as I could by pushing it in and also trying to even it out, but that'll do it. Thank y'all so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Look,
stay tuned.
Supplication, prayers up at the moments, change your hand up, hold my peace away in due time. Nothing but criminal actions applicable to individuals that are too blind. What is despicable, living the spiritual, the only way that he navigate minds. Get out the physical, get out material, it's been this way since beginning of time.